Looks like you lost another one.
Templates are in the description below. Now we need to cut the templates. Now I am taking to book covers. You can also use cereal box cardboard for this. Carefully cut out the cardboard pieces according to templates. Next, we'll join these two parts together. I'll be using a stapler and small pieces of cardboard. Pay close attention to the following steps. Attach this piece over here. It's a crucial piece as it will connect the head piece and jaw piece together. Make sure it's big enough to provide adequate support. After attaching the big piece, add some additional pieces for extra support. Now that the main piece is joined, we'll proceed to attach the remaining 3 joints. I am using cardboard pieces as support and using stapler to join them. Here, I'm adding a big rectangular piece for additional support. Trim away any excess parts. Repeat these steps on the other side as well. With this, our headpiece is complete. Now, let's work on creating the jaw piece. First, we need to join these 2 pieces together. Carefully staple them, ensuring that the plain side of the stapler pin faces upwards to avoid wrinkling the paper and achieving a neat appearance. Carefully join the nose piece. Use a small cardboard piece to connect this one. Keep this joint open for now, as it will allow you to adjust width of the mask. And there you have it. Our jaw piece is now complete. Now I am going to join head piece and jaw piece together. Trim away any excess parts. I have left this joint open so I can adjust the length of the mask. I am going to extend the length of the mask, and to do that I'll use this firm piece of cardboard. Now glue this piece over here.
I am Spot.
Add a piece of cardboard here. It will shape and support the mask. To conceal the joint, trace it onto a piece of cardboard from a packaging box. Cut out the traced shape. Apply glue to secure it in place. With this, our Spider-Man face shell is complete.